Imagine waking up one morning, opening the news, and seeing a headline that says, "Your job will disappear within the next 18 months. It sounds like clickbait, but in 2025, it's becoming uncomfortable close to reality. Today, we're not talking about science fiction, robots from movies, or some distant future. We're talking about what is happening right now, inside real companies, in real industries, with real people being replaced by artificial intelligence. Right now, roughly 1/3 of companies worldwide are already using AI instead of humans in certain roles. And nearly 40% openly say they plan to replace part of their workforce with AI within the next 2 years, not to assist, not to optimize, to replace. This isn't happening in experimental startups. It's happening in banks, tech firms, marketing agencies, factories, and global corporations. Here's the important distinction most people miss. AI doesn't replace jobs. AI replaces tasks. And when most of the tasks are gone, the job disappears by itself. Let's start with something many people still believe is safe: software development. Front-end and back-end development are no longer immune. AI can already build interfaces, generate components, write APIs, create CRUD logic, run tests, refactor code, and even explain what it just wrote. For junior and mid-level developers, this means competition is no longer just other humans. It's a system that never sleeps, never gets tired, and produces code in seconds. This does not mean programmers are disappearing. It means the role is splitting in two. The future belongs to engineers who design systems, understand architecture, security, scalability, and business logic. The role that is disappearing is the developer who only writes code based on tickets. If your value is, "I can implement this feature," AI is already catching up. If your value is, "I understand the system," you still matter. And the same pattern repeats everywhere. Customer support is being absorbed by AI chatbots that speak clearly, politely, and consistently, without scripts, without frustration, without human error. Data entry jobs are vanishing almost completely. Anything that can be scanned, classified, or transferred from one system to another is already automated. Basic content writing is under pressure. Product descriptions, SEO articles, news summaries, rewrites, AI handles them faster and cheaper. Human writers survive where there is personality, experience, deep insight, or original thought. Entry-level graphic design is shrinking. Logos, banners, social media visuals, thumbnails, AI produces them instantly. Humans remain where branding, storytelling, and concept matter. Simple video editing is being automated. Cuts, captions, templates, highlights, all handled by algorithms. Manual QA testing is being replaced by automated testing and AI-driven validation. Legal assistants and paralegals are seeing their workload reduced as AI reviews contracts, searches precedents, and flags risks in seconds. Junior recruiters are being replaced in early hiring stages. Resume screening, candidate filtering, initial communication, automated. Routine financial analysis is being automated. Reports, forecasts, comparisons, AI does it faster and without bias. Basic translation is no longer a profession, unless it involves nuance, culture, or legal responsibility. SEO specialists who follow checklists are being outperformed by systems that understand algorithms better than humans do. Junior accountants are being replaced by automated accounting systems powered by AI. And manufacturing is experiencing the most brutal shift of all. Robots and AI systems are already replacing millions of jobs in factories worldwide. Production is one of the easiest environments to automate, and companies are doing it aggressively. So how much work can actually disappear? Most estimates agree on one thing. Between 30 and 60% of today's work tasks can be automated within the next 5 years. That doesn't mean half of humanity becomes unemployed. It means half of today's jobs will no longer look the same. Some roles will shrink, some will evolve, and some will vanish completely. But here's the part that often gets ignored. AI doesn't only destroy jobs. It creates new ones. Demand is growing for AI engineers, data scientists, system architects, AI product managers, and people who know how to integrate AI into real businesses. The future belongs to those who can work with AI, not compete against it. The real danger is believing this wave won't reach you. If your job is built on repetition, predictability, and clear rules, it is at risk. If your job requires judgment, responsibility, creativity, and understanding human context, you still have time. AI doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't wait for society to be ready. It just arrives. The only question left is whether you adapt or get replaced.